Welcome back to those of you who are returning. Hello to the new people that have just found this channel. This is Financial Hustle. Let's get down to business. Look, being denied for credit cards and loans suck because of having a low credit score. Even worse is paying high interest rates on the credit you do have. It's time to take control of your credit and open the doors to financial opportunities. In just a few minutes, I'll be sharing the proven tactics to improve your credit score so you can say goodbye to high interest rates and denied loan applications. With the knowledge that you gain from this video, you'll be able to take control of your finances and unlock the possibilities that come with having a good credit score. So stay until the end. I just want to hit the nail on the head and make sure that you understand that improving your credit score can seem like a daunting task, but it is definitely worth the effort in the long run. A good credit score can help you get approved for loans and credit cards, and it can also help you get better interest rates on those loans. In this video, we'll go over some of the most effective ways to improve your credit score. The first step to improving your credit score is to check your credit report for errors. You're entitled to one free credit report per year from each of the 3 credit bureaus. So take advantage of this and check for any mistakes that may be hurting your credit score. If you do find errors, contact the credit bureau and dispute them. If you don't already use this app, get Credit Karma as their report of your credit score. It might not be 100% accurate, but it's a good way for you to gauge your score yourself. In addition, within the app, you can dispute claims right within the app's interface. Another important step in improving your credit score is to pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a major negative impact on your credit score, but you should have already known this. So it's important to make sure that you're paying all of your bills on time. Set reminders for yourself, or consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. I personally do this. One specific way to do this is by making sure that you have money available by having a great budget and funds allocated for everything. Another way to improve your credit score is to reduce your credit card balances. Your credit utilization, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to the overall amount of credit that you have available, can have a major impact on your score. The lower your credit utilization ratio, the better your score will be. Try to pay down your credit card balances as much as possible and consider consolidating your credit card debt if it is manageable. It's also important to keep your credit history as long as possible. The longer your credit history, the better your score will be. So if you have credit cards or loans that you have had for a long time, try not to close those accounts, even if you don't use them very often. An example of this is a Fingerhut account I had when I was 18 starting out with credit. To this day, I still have that account. However, I don't use it at all. Finally, be careful about applying for new credit. Every time you apply for credit, it can have a negative impact on your credit score, as this most likely will be a hard pull. So only apply for credit when you really need it. Hard pulls suck. If you can get a soft pull and get the same outcome, go that route. Improving your credit score is definitely worth the effort. By checking your credit report for errors, paying your bills on time, reducing your credit card balances, keeping your credit history long, and being careful about applying for new credit, you can improve your credit score and enjoy the benefits of having good credit. Remember, it takes time, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. Thank you for watching this video on how to improve your credit score. I hope you found the information helpful and are ready to take advantage and improve your credit. Remember, it takes time and consistency to see results, so don't get discouraged if you don't see an immediate change. Keep working at it and stay persistent. And also, don't forget to check your credit report at least once a year to make sure that there are no errors that are affecting your credit score. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.